In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cash expenses or petty cash transactions in QuickBooks. If your business keeps physical cash on hand for small day-to-day purchases, it's important to track that money properly in QuickBooks. Petty cash may seem minor, but recording it correctly helps keep your books accurate and makes expense tracking much easier. Before you record any petty cash transactions, you'll first need to create an account to represent the physical cash you keep on hand. Start by going to Settings or the gear icon and then open the chart of accounts. From there, click New or New Category, depending on your version of QuickBooks. For the account type, choose Bank. Then name the account Petty Cash and set the opening balance to 0, or enter the current amount of physical cash that's actually in your cash box if you're already using one. Once that's done, click Save and Close. This gives you a dedicated account so QuickBooks can track the cash separately from your regular bank accounts. Now let's talk about what to do when you use money from the petty cash box to pay for a business expense. Click New or Create and choose Expense. In the Payee field, select the vendor if there was a single vendor involved. If the transaction includes multiple receipts, you can leave that field blank. Next, in the Payment Account field, make sure you select Petty Cash. This part is very important because it tells QuickBooks that the payment came from your cash box, not from your bank account or a credit card. Under Category Details, choose the appropriate expense account, such as office supplies or meals, depending on what was purchased. Then enter the amount and add the receipt details. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Finally, when it's time to refill the petty cash box from your main bank account, you'll want to record that properly so your books stay balanced. Click New or Create, and then select Check or Expense. Choose your main checking account as the payment account. After that, categorize the transaction to the petty cash asset account. Then enter the exact amount needed to bring the petty cash fund back to its usual set limit. Using this method helps you track both the spending from petty cash and the transfers used to replenish it. As a helpful tip, always keep the receipts for every cash purchase and compare them regularly to the amount left in the cash box. That simple habit will make reconciliation faster and help prevent errors in your records.